So in terms of former cohabitees, the claims actually that separating couples can make against each other if they're not married are actually very, very limited. I don't think people actually appreciate that, and there's a very common myth that there is something in law which is common law husband and wife. People have this misconception that if they've lived together perhaps for a period of time and they're not married, they automatically acquire certain rights. And I've often got to break it to people when they come to see me when a relationship is broken down, but that's not the case, which obviously then can create difficulties in terms of what they can plan for in respect of moving forwards financially. So what I often advise people to do, particularly if they are buying property together, or if one party, for example, has a property and it's in their sole name and the other party hasn't contributed to that, what I often advise people to do at the outset when they're together and still in a happy relationship, and hopefully that continues, is to think about putting together a cohabitation agreement. And essentially what that is it's a contract which regulates their financial dealings with each other. It can regulate what interest both of them have in property, whether the non-owning partner will have a financial interest or not. And the advantage of that obviously is it can prevent very expensive debates and legal intervention when a relationship breaks down.